Hey babes, it's David here, and I'm with the stunning Jolie.
Hi.
We are going to talk about the cult favorite full-on plumping lip polish. So this is our sheer conditioning lip polish formula with a shimmer particle. You're gonna love it. So I'm going to apply shade Dolly. Dolly is our iconic shade. It's pretty much what launched a lip plumping revolution. It's a gorgeous mauve shade, and it looks great on everyone. But the formula itself is conditioning, so it has vitamins A and E as well as peptides to help plump up the lips. It has that cooling tingle to it, so it feels super refreshing on the lips. Can you feel it? Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's like totally addictive, and a light vanilla smell. And what I love about the lip polish formula is that sheer shimmer shine finish. Make the lips look extra juicy, extra wet. There's 100 shades, all named after bombshell babes. So you can kind of find your own name. I always love trying to find the name of a friend. There's 100 of them. This is that super creamy, non-sticky, gorgeous shimmer shine finish. So go out there and get your perfect shade of BUXOM's full-on plumping lip polish. We promise you're gonna love it. Bye, babe.